Hello everyone, welcome back to a new video. Today I'm going to be talking about XRP, precisely more on the price action side, and where I think the price of XRP will be headed in the near future. First of all, sorry if you're hearing some background noise or park right now. There's a lot of wind. I'm gonna try my best to make it as clear as possible. And yeah, I'm going to be showing you what I think is happening here, or it's going to happen. Basically, we are in the. This is like a bull flag, and this is the pole, and this is basically the flag, okay. And this is on the, as you can see here, on the weekly. So that basically hold more weight than if it was on the 4 hour or 1 hour or even the daily. Basically here you have the flag, and it's been respecting this range for a couple of months from here. And so obviously what I'm thinking it could happen now, and the reason for that, I think the price of XRP will break to the upside, because this is a bullish bull flag, if you call it that way. And usually more like, let's say maybe 60 or 70% of the time it breaks to the upside. But you cannot ignore the fact that there is a lot of liquidity probably parked below this flag. So market maker can easily move the price of XRP and basically just take them all out before heading back up. Okay, so below the last wick, it's approximately, as you can see here, 159-ish, something like that. But all the way below the range, okay, it's around 137, 140. So I don't know. And you don't forget that you have this moving average, and this is the 200. So you have the 20 and 200. I only use these two because, you know, I don't like my chart to be very cluttered. I can use the 51, the 50, and it will be around that here, that wick. Also it's significant, but we don't really need it since we have a clear range here. Basically, yeah, that moving average could be the support. So if you think a little bit in the future, maybe the moving average is going to be a little bit higher right here, maybe 120, 130, something like that. And or even better, if the moving average goes all the way to the range, now you have double confirmation, or double support, as you can see. But something else could happen as well. It could take, because here also there's a lot of liquidity, there's a lot of stop losses parked below the 20 moving average as well. They can just move the price and take and hunt all the stop losses, and then break the range, retest, go all the way to new all-time high. Okay, so there's not much to do right now. Okay, but you have to consider that we are on the resistance of that trend lines. So this is act as a resistance, and you also have on each time the price touches this trend line, get rejected with the engulfing candle on the weekly. One, two. That one is very significant. The third, I don't know if you can call this one, it's not really on range, but I can still see it as a on the same level, let's say from here. And then now recently we had another engulfing candle closing bearish. So I don't know, like from here I can easily see the price going all the way back and retest that uncovered Victor right here. Okay, around that here, sorry about that, below $2. Okay, for me that's like worst case scenario, I mean best case scenario, and worst case scenario will be below 150, but I don't think we'll go below much more than that. I think it's gonna take all, if the price have to go to below 150, it's just to take all the liquidity, because a lot of people wanted to buy at 150. You can see it on the comments, and people are hungry for these prices. But if you buy it at 150, where do you think you're gonna put your stop loss? Just below 150, right? Maybe 149. So maybe they will take all this liquidity, and if it goes below that and you get stopped out, you're not gonna re-enter. Maybe a lot of people won't do it, and in my opinion that will be maybe the best buying opportunity. So from here anything can happen, honestly. Maybe the price will just break the range and retest and go from here, hopefully. But me, what I'm doing right now is I'm sitting on cash, not all in cash. I still have a big portion of XRP holding, but not like I was holding when it was 50 cent. You know, when it was 50 cent I was all in almost, not all in, but I was very heavy, and after all this price action I basically sold maybe over 50%. So now I'm waiting. I want to add to my bags, but I don't want to pay the premium price, you know, because we are expecting higher prices, right? Like I personally think XRP have at least another push from here, and I'm good, you know. Like I'm not crazy with, like I'm not looking for crazy prices, you know, like with, you know, 100 bucks or $1,000 or even 10,000, you know, like you hear that everywhere on social media. I'm not looking for that, you know. If I have another push, you know, I'm happy, you know. All these years waiting for a move, okay, we got one, so we should be happy with this. And you know, you don't sell everything, obviously. You never know what can happen with this project, but I don't want to waste a lot more time than this, you know. Like there's other opportunity all over in the crypto market, so you don't have to worry about only one asset and marry it and, you know, stay with it all your life, you know. Like okay, this one, it give you what it promised, basically. Okay, we were all waiting for something, and now we got it. So now what? Me personally, okay, I'm good with the next move, and yeah. So basically, whatever happened, if it goes back to that range, I will add. If it breaks, retest. The retest will be a perfect add-in opportunity, in my opinion. And yeah, that's it. I wish you good luck, and see you in another video. Thank you.